Here is how you can add Grammarly to your Notion on your Mac, and make sure it works the proper way. Of course, it is supposed to correct your text and improve it in some other regard too, so let's get into it right now. So your first guess, or you might have heard it somewhere, that in order to make Grammarly work, you need to install its app on your computer, which is correct, but you mustn't download Grammarly from the App Store on your Mac. When you do so, you are only getting the Safari extension, which by all means is really good, and if you prefer using Notion through a website on Safari. But if you are using the Notion app on your computer and want to add Grammarly there, you need to download the app from the official Grammarly website because it really does make a difference. So make sure to download the app. Literally just type into Google Grammarly Mac app download and just tap on the first link that pops up. Just make sure it doesn't redirect you back to the App Store. Click on download and you should be able to find the installer file in your downloads folder. Double click it there and then you can proceed with the installation. It's pretty simple. Just install it as if you were installing any other app on your computer. But once you go through the process, you'll likely need to log in with your Grammarly account. I personally use my Google account for it, but there are more options. After you log in, you'll be asked about giving the Grammarly app some accessibility permissions, which is something you will have to do if you want the app to have access to your writing across different apps, which also includes the Notion app. So give the app the permission. You may need to type in your password to confirm it. But after you do all this, you'll then see the small widget in your Notion page and also all the underlines and suggestions from Grammarly will be visible there, meaning the app already works. Please let me know down below in the comments if you found this video helpful and managed to make it work. If not, then also let me know about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.